Hello everyone, welcome to prevent a solution given this nice exponential equation which is 4 to power a multiplying by 4 to power a, this is equal to 80. What is the value of a? Now solution from here, we have that 4 to power a times 4 to power a, this is in the form of a to power n multiplying by a to power m, which we can express as a to power n plus m. Okay? Now, applying this property, we'll have 4 to power a plus a. This is equal to 80. Okay? So here, we'll have 4 to power 2a. This is equal to 80. Now, to solve for the value of a, we introduce the natural logarithm on both sides so that we'll have log 4 to power 2a. This is equal to log 80. Okay, now log 4 to power 2a, this is in the form of log a to power n, which we can express as n log a. Applying this power rule property, you find that log 4 to power 2a becomes 2a log 4. This is equal to log 80. Now, let's divide both signs by log 4. Okay, so that now we'll have 2a, this is equal to log 80 divided by log 4. Now, from what we have here, we can express 80 basically as 16 multiplying by 5. And we can express further 16 as basically 2 to power 4. So that means that 80 can be expressed as 2 to power 4 times 5. 2 to power 4 times 5. So let's substitute this. So here we'll have 2a. This is equal to log 2 to power 4 times 5 divided by log 4. So 4 can be expressed as 2 to power 2. So this is log 2 to power 2. So let's proceed to solve this. Now here we have 2a. This is equal to log. Now here we have 2a is equal to log 2 to power 4 times 5. And this is actually in the form of log a multiplied by b, which you can express as log a plus log b. So let's apply this property. So we'll have 2a, this is equal to log 2 to power 4 divided by log 2 to power 2 plus log 5 divided by log 2 to power 2. Okay. Now, log 2 to power 4, applying the power rule property, that is log a to power n, which is n log a. Applying this property, you can express this as 2a. This is equal to log 2 to power 4 becomes 4 log 2 divided by log 2 to power 2, which is 2 log 2 plus log 5 divided by log 2 to power 2, which is 2 log 2. Now let's simplify here by 2 1 by 2 2. So we'll have 2a, this is equal to 2 plus, now this is half, we have log 5 divided by log 2. Log 5 divided by log 2, this is in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. Now let's apply this property so that now we will have a half log 5 to base 2. So let's divide both sides by 2 so that now we'll have a is equal to, this is 1 plus, now this is the same thing as half multiplied by half log 5 to base 2. So now we have a as 1 plus 1 over 4 log 5 to base 2. Now this is the value of a. Okay, this is the value of a. So let's verify that this value of a actually satisfies the equation. Now, if you recall, we end that 4 to power a, okay, multiplying by 4 to power a, this should give us a value of 80, okay. So we simplify this further to 4 to power 2a, this is equal to 80, okay. So we say this is in the form of 8 to power n multiplying by 8 to power m, which you can express as 8 to power n plus m. So if you say a plus a, this is why you have 2a. So let's substitute the value of a. We'll have 4 to power 2 times a. A is actually equal to 1 plus 1 over 4 log 5 to base 2. This should give us a value of 80. Now we can express actually this as 4 raised to power 2 times 1. This is 2 plus, now 2 times 1 over 4 log 5 to base 2. 2 simplifies here, so you have half log 5 to base 2. This should give us a value of 80. Now let's proceed from here. Now here we have 4 to power 2 plus a half log 5 to base 2. Okay. Now from what we have here, we can express 4 basically as 2 to power 2. Now substituting this, we'll have 2 to power 2 multiplying by 2 plus, this is a half log 5 to base 2. This should give us a value of 80. Now let's open the bracket here. So we'll have 2 to power 2 times 2, this is 4, plus, we simplify here, so plus log 5 to base 2. This should give us a value of 80. Now you find that 2 to power 4 plus log 5 to base 2, this is in the form of 8 to power n plus m, which you can express as 8 to power n multiplied by 8 to power m. So let's apply this property. Now we'll have 2 to power 4 multiplied by 2 to power log 5 to base 2. This should give us a value of 80. Now 2 to power 4, this is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, and this is equal to 16. So here we have 16 multiplied by 2 to power log 5 to base 2. This should give us a value of 80. Now 2 to power log 5 to base 2, this is in the form of m log a to base m, okay. So applying this logarithm property, this is supposed to give us a value of a. Now that means that 2 to power log 5 to base 2, this is supposed to give us a value of 5. Now let's substitute this value of 5. We'll have 16 times 5. This should give us a value of 80. So 16 times 5, this is basically equal to 80. And that means that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And that affirms that the value of x, which is basically equal to 1 plus 1 over 4 log 5 to base 2, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. See you in the next video.